Hi guys, we received this Arthur C. Clarke 2001 Space Odyssey book, which is really nice. It's a pocket book, which I like a lot. It's actually this book has actually a movie of the same title. It's a really nice book because really now it's considered a classic, but it modernized the way or changed the way that we look to ourselves and to the stars, and it's an amazing edition. It's, as I said, pocketbook, so it's small, but it has the perfect size of the letters and perfect size to bring with you if you want to go to your school, to your work, or if you want to travel with it. It's perfect to bring it with you and have a good read. I like a lot the design of the book. It's really nice. I like a lot the colors, and I like that it's looked like if it's rugged or even a bit old the book, it gives a nice touch, and I really like it. See ya.